All right, while doing a tankless service, you got to remove the filter from a Rinnai heater. So you're going to need a wire brush, well, straight round wire brush, and then a regular brush. So you're going to dip it in, get the solution on this, and brush with the regular wire brush all the screen, rotating it in your finger. Get that all cleaned up. Then take your wire brush and pull it through a few times. And now it's nice and clean. Now take it, drop it in the solution while the pump is pumping in. See, we got the hose going through. Here's our flow, nice flow coming out of this. We installed this about 2 years ago, when we've done a service every year. Alrighty? All right, I hope that helps. Take care now. Bye-bye.